So now let's dive into SEO and keywords. And this is a massive, massive topic with a lot of third-party tools that you need to really dive fully into this. But what we're going to talk about in this lesson is what ChatGPT can do and how it can help you with SEO. And just to give a little bit of an overview, what Google uses to rank its searches is something called latent semantic indexing. And what that is back in the day, you used to be able to just pad your articles and blogs with keywords. Like, for example, we're going to talk about skateboarding in this lesson. You would say skateboard, 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 skateboard again and again in your article, and it would boost it to the ranking at the top. Now they use latent semantic indexing, and what that does is it groups keywords with what they're related to. So skateboarding is related to skateboard tape, bearings, skateboarding decks, all the other terms that align with that main term. You're going to want to make sure that you're using that, and ChatGPT helps us with that process. So let's hop into it. So what I first want to start with is asking ChatGPT to write a 100-word product description about a skateboard with glowing wheels, and we're going to see what we can do to optimize it. Now what I want to do is generate the high search volume keywords for skateboarders, aka my target audience, when they're looking for online products. And as I'm seeing this list come out, I'm seeing some repetitious use of the word skateboard. And now what I want to do is remove the duplicate word skateboard from this list. So ChatGPT can do that. The words skateboard and skateboards. Perfect. Now we have our optimized list, and now what I want to do is ask ChatGPT to optimize our initial product description with the following keywords. So I'm going to copy these, put it in our prompt. So now we have our updated and optimized product description. Let's see what other techniques we can use to enhance our search engine optimization. So what I'm going to ask is for ChatGPT to suggest content topics that are likely to perform well in organic searches. It's going to come up with a list of product ideas and content ideas that I can go and create. So it came up with 15 new content ideas that I can go out and produce and upload online to show up in more organic searches. Let's see what else we can do. Now I'm going to ask it to analyze my competitors' keywords and determine what they're targeting and how to optimize my content to beat them in search rankings. Perfect. So it gives me the other tools that I can look into to further improve on my keyword search analytics. And you can continue to dive down this and follow the steps that it outlines and ask for more clarification and further ways to upgrade your SEO.